Hi, it's Tony, you're in Pop Pop's Workshop, and this week we're doing a favor for a friend. Now, this couple have had some health issues they've been battling, and they have a picture. It's not an expensive picture by other people's standards, but it's very important to them. It has sentimental value. Uh, let's take a look at the old frame. Some composite plastic frame. When it was new, probably just fine. But this kind of material, when you take it off the wall, goes through a couple of moves, you hang it, you rehang it, you bump it, it doesn't hold up long term. So we have some scrap Honey Locust in the shop. So we're going to cut that down to a reasonable size for a nice wooden frame for this picture. And hopefully it turns out great. You be the judge when you see it all done, but follow along in the video as we make a new picture frame. All right, so you saw us cut the material to size, and now I put what is a 15 degree, basically 15 degree chamfer on the front, and then this corner here will get a round over on it. I've got a rebate or rabbit in the back here to get the picture. I may run that through, make that just a little bit deeper, but I'm trying to balance having enough material to make it look nice here as well. So we'll see, but that's where we're at so far. Okay, so the frame's together. This side needs a little bit of time to glue. I messed up a cut, obviously cut it backwards like one does, and had to remake one of the long pieces from scratch. So there's some video in here of me doing that. But, well, it's together. I'm going to let that glue set on this, and then we'll be doing a lot of sanding to make it just right, and some finish, and then we'll put it together. All right, so that was the project. And as you can tell, when I put color in this, I used a little golden from the General Finishes hard wax oil, the color golden. The Honey Locust is beautiful on its own, but the color I didn't think worked well with the colors in the picture. So I thought changing the color a little darker, not too dark, but a little darker was going to work better. And I'm much happier with the outcome of that color with this picture. So we had a good time doing this. There were some struggles. As usual, I forgot to cut an extra piece of the frame material. So helpful tip, whenever you're cutting, especially framing of any kind, trim, whatever it is, make sure you have extra. If you're custom molding something, make sure you have plenty of extra on hand, because what I did was I cut my 45-degree angle, reset the saw, I thought, and cut another 45-degree angle. Well, that's wrong. Right away I knew That was wrong. Should have looked like this. Did not. So I had to go back, try to reset everything based on the molding I had to do it. So it took me a little bit longer to get that right. So helpful tip, make extra when you're doing anything custom because you're going to make a mistake. It's just part of being in the wood shop. Wood shop Murphy's Law, I guess we could call it. So that's what took me a little bit extra on this. But I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Hopefully they're going to be happy when we take it to them. A couple other things, I've got to get a little sawtooth hanger for the back yet. I thought I had one in the shop. I didn't, but we'll get one of those, put that in, and some nice push points to hold the picture in the back of the frame. A couple little finishing touches, and she'll be ready to take to its new home. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and following along. We really appreciate that you've taken your time to watch what we're doing in the shop. So as always, thanks, and remember, you can do this.